Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix media keep stopping error in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it isn't updated to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.